Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Smile Like Philippines. It's March 17th and it's afternoon. We just arrived here in Philippines. It's our first day again here in Philippines. And we just arrived maybe from 4 a.m. in Philippines. And right now we're here in Scoreboard to eat. And we just take video again.
And meet with our friends
Yes.
also. Hi everyone, we sleep little bit only because we just arrived Philippines maybe about 4 a.m. and long time in immigration. We can explain about immigration also in another video. What's new now in the Philippines, how to go to the Philippines. And now we want to meet with our friends. Maybe they arrive later. Also Georgi and Scoreboard's bikini show. 1 month ago we been in this place and live going to the Thailand. So now we can again after 1 month again come back. Excuse me, I want to ask if we take video myself, my wife, how we eat, can take video or only girls not allowed or not total not allowed. Total not allowed take video. Okay. They said not allowed take video to total. I said, can I take video myself? Or how we eat, how we just spend our time inside. They say total not allowed take video. So you already know, I asked about filming. They said not allowed filming, even you cannot take your phone, even you cannot filming yourself, selfie, also not allowed. So if I want take video how I eat, how Shaira, for example, take video Shaira or foods what we eat, it's also not allowed. Of course we will go, we will eat, but we just only eat and come back to home, or maybe going to walking street, I don't know, bar, or no, not bar of course. We will go maybe to a cafe shop. But filming not allowed. It's not allowed, of course. We will follow rules. We always follow rules in the Philippines. That's why our subscribers, sorry, we cannot show now scoreboards competition. Sorry, very sorry. Hot Shaira. But in the Philippines, same like in Thailand. But for me in the Philippines better. I don't know. For me better Philippines. Even not allowed filming video.
Just only go and
Yes,
some girls, it's okay.
yes. Shaira, I will put camera to the car because it's not allowed. Okay, in the car we put camera here. Okay, camera not need now.
Hi everyone, we just finished here in Scoreboard Hotel.
Competition.
Yes, it's like party here. So we're going to coffee shop with our friends. Let's go.
And we talk about what you see. It's not so many people right now.
Yes, not so many because not so many vloggers, not so many videos. That's why.
Yes,
not so many
videos.
people.
We are with our friend Elias. Elias first time in the Scoreboard Hotel competition. What do you think? Do you like girls here? Or it's simple for you? You Filipino, you know, because most of the foreigner don't know good or not. What do you think?
No, it's my first time, so it's nice.
Good. About foods.
The food.
Good foods. Okay, so we're going to eat, drink coffee.
Yes.
Near Walking Street. Georgi happy. Georgi happy today or not? Georgi not happy because what? Why? You say why?
Noisy, loud music, so headache. Okay, noisy.
Today noisy. Okay, let's
Yes.
go. Let's go to a coffee shop.
Hey, what is this? My clothes is so dirty.
Nah, it's
Because
okay.
of this.
Really weather is good here. In Pattaya, just go outside the hotel, already wet. Already wet.
And also the wind there, it's like it's so sticky. Understand? Here not.
Yeah. Because near beach. Thank you.
Are you videoing now?
Hi?
Are you videoing now?
What?
Are you videoing now? Rob! Wait, come back here. Are you videoing now?
Yes,
before?
yes.
Yes.
We subscribe to your
videos.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Australia.
From Australia,
Yeah.
thank you. No problem, I take.
Yeah,
If you don't like, I can blur face.
No, do it.
Yep.
Because
Okay.
we came over here and I said to him, "Where's Joey?" Because we saw you walk past,
Yeah.
and Rob says,
That's
"Oh,
right.
there's that guy."
Yeah.
But I said to him, "Where's Joey? Why do you know him?" I said, "I know him. He doesn't know me."
Yeah. He faster already, you know. He's always walk faster.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
right. They're doing
Yeah.
right. And a man of less words. Doesn't say
So
much.
we follow you. We think you're wonderful,
Yep.
and you and you.
Thank you very
I've
much.
seen you, and I've seen you, but I haven't seen you.
Thank
But we
you.
went to Thailand.
Yes, just arrived this night.
Oh.
4 a.m. we arrive at Clark Airport. Sleep little bit. I'm going to
come
Scorpio. Yeah.
Right, cool.
That's why we tired also.
So can you put us on your movie this time?
Hmm?
Can you put us on your movie?
If you no problem.
Yeah, I want that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm Ken, and that's Rob.
Rob.
From Australia.
Australia.
Yeah.
Which Australia part of Australia?
Queensland.
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 Yeah.
Together with Queensland.
Yes.
Yeah, in Gympie, just
Gympie.
north of Brisbane.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Right. Yeah. Cool. Yeah.
Thank you.
Not a problem.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely love
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
You too. Keep up good work. bro.
Thank you.
And God bless you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.
I'm so scared before, but I thought it's some problem.
Yes, I also worry because maybe some people don't like video, but they pay. Because I always say to people, if you don't like video, I blur, no problem. Even I filming, it's not mean I film. I edit video always. From Australia, many people. Shara, straight. It's good road here. Shira. Shira, I worry about this Korean guy. Shira, no problem to give away. She because she worry, she afraid this Korean guy. She don't like
I just have trauma already.
trauma already.
I'm here.
Yes, Shira, you know who go with us? Shira.
No, I don't get like I have pants. I'm not comfortable.
Before they repair road here, so now already good. Walking street. But many people now. Not same like in the Pattaya. In Pattaya so many. Not the same?
And more, I get more walk there. That's it.
What you say?
I get more walk there. I can like I have freedom to walk there, but here not have.
For her she comfortable in Pattaya walk, I don't know. But before it's good. After accident with Korean manager, she don't like. Hi?
Don't have customers.
What you say? Girl from the competition, way from Atlantis bar, from Carousel bar, these 3 bars. Oh, Georgi, where you been? Again, we're going to Cafe La Mulier Cafe. You know this is cafe. Saturday, so many people here waiting. Disco, this is popular disco. Maybe don't have space? Ah, have? Have. Today is Sunday, but not so many people.
I'll let you know.
Or maybe you're gonna walk next
I don't know, I will ask him. I will ask you. Because maybe he will go home. Georgi, we take car, you go home or how? Or go with us? Ah, okay. He like walk always. Yeah, Indian. I never been. If you want, maybe we can next time. In Angeles so many Korean, and I hear voices Korean. But in the in the Thailand, in Pattaya, so many Russian, so many Chinese, so many Russian and Chinese, yeah. Ah, Indian also, Indian. But number one is Chinese. Everywhere Chinese people. NKTV.
We just finished being in coffee shop and we take Georgi to his apartment and we will ask Georgi from before scoreboard competition and after this one.
Yes, because it's very, he said very different between before and now. Georgi, can you say about you already been many times before?
Many.
No, not
Times
many,
only.
2 times only. Yes, yes. And now you said different before and now.
Yes, before was more people. So, and now today too loud music, so very noisy. It's really not comfortable. So, but because no people, we can occupy good tables. So,
Free tables have good
yes.
cables.
It was reserved for someone, but later they remove reservation and invite us to sit at this table, so we can occupy good table and look, but not so interesting as before. Maybe because no action. So before was several other bloggers. They make video. They did some action around. Yes. So today was more maybe bored. So,
Bored,
Yes. But some new girls. I choose 4, 8, and number 10. girls.
It's new girls, new.
Yes, new. I did not see
But
them.
also have you seen old girls who before
yes,
been already?
number 2, number 6, maybe number 7. I don't remember.
1, 2.
One.
It's 1, 2.
No, one. I think new.
One new?
No,
I
it's not 1.
It's okay. Our subscriber don't know faces
Yes,
because,
because no video.
no video, so not need to thinking about number.
Mhm.
So girls, you said new girls, 3 or 4 new, 3 girls new.
No. Maybe 5, maybe 6. I don't remember. But I choose only number 4, number 8, number 10.
Mhm. Your type, your.
Yeah, yes. Other girls also was new. So I don't know what.
Foods?
Maybe
About foods.
About food.
Because we going to only for foods.
First time when I go in January, it was meat. I don't know, meat in the maybe cranberry juice. I don't know.
Mhm.
It was very soft, very good. But today not so good. So I don't know. Maybe I don't go anymore next time. So because it's
Even not about video, because for you not take video, you not filming, but
Yes.
for you already not interesting. Even we allowed video. Bored because you said. No, all girls you can see in the bars. Same girls, you can go to the bars. You know, Dollhouse, Atlantis, all girls work. You can see, talk with girls personally
yes.
if you want. And not need to competition. Go
So
to.
I go there not because of girls, so more because of food.
Mhm.
But now I think it's maybe overpriced already. So
Mhm.
because quality in January was much better,
Mhm.
for my opinion. So now maybe not.
Mhm. For not girls also not interesting to go, yes? No, what for new tourist, what you recommended go to Scorebirds or better go to the bar, for example?
I don't know what they want. Because
Okay.
some tourists cannot talk with girl because maybe they afraid of this. Cannot start communication first.
Ага.
So maybe they can go there and invite the girl because if you go to Scarbird swimsuit competition, you can invite girl to your table
Mhm.
and start to talk with her, drinks, maybe something. I don't know what. Maybe it's a way for start to talk with this girl and maybe later meet with her. But for me, it's not the way. It's long
Okay,
way.
okay. So maybe next time you not go to the Scorebirds hot competition.
I don't know.
But I know you take it to with you. What is this? Tripod for you want to take video first time you try. Show what
yes,
you take.
Maybe. Yes, I have some small. What is it? This one
Mhm.
is for my phone.
Ага.
So, but it's not necessary today because not allowed to take video and take photo.
Mhm. So,
I don't
okay.
know what's the reason why they not allowed to take video anymore. But okay.
Okay.
You need to respect only.
Respect.
Yes, you need to respect what they want. Just only they don't
We
have-
follow rules,
Yes,
of
just
course.
follow
If
only.
they say it not allowed, we not take a video, of course. Okay, Georgi, thank you. Now we already know what happened. Our subscribers, so many you seen our subscribers from many countries. Okay, Shaira, what need to say?
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for today we seen so many our subscribers. We really happy. See you again.